Kalau kamu melewati ruas tol Batang Semarang, kamu pasti akan melewati jembatan ikonik ini. Namanya adalah jembatan Kali Kudo. Bentuk melengkungnya yang menjadi ikonik dan daya tarik dari jembatan berwarna merah menyala tersebut berada di ruas tol Batang Semarang, tepatnya di kilometer 519.
I've got an itch I can't scratch, I'm missing a piece that completes a whole part of me, an open wound scar to see. Everybody come here, gather round, welcome to the freak show, the best in town. What the hell's wrong with me? I don't get along with anybody, honestly. I've been living in my own head constantly, thoughts jumbled round, think I need a new lobotomy. Wait, all these thoughts are too negative, I don't wanna get lost in the sedative. Gotta show them what I got, I'm competitive. You know I'm about to go off, I won't let them win, I'll take a stab. I wanna chase a bag, I wanna weigh, I can change all the things I lack. I